What if Nikon's next flagship finally kills the dreaded Jell-O effect for good? Rumors are heating up that the upcoming Z9 II might feature the holy grail of camera tech, a global shutter. If true, this isn't just an upgrade, it's Nikon charging into battle against Canon's R1 and Sony's A9 III with serious firepower. We're talking pro-level speed, next-gen performance, and a real shakeup for high-end shooters. Let's dig into why the Z9 II could be Nikon's boldest move yet. At the heart of the Z9 II hype is this rumored global shutter sensor. Now, for those who've seen distorted golf clubs or wobbly buildings in fast pans, you know the pain of a rolling shutter. A global shutter changes everything by capturing the entire image instantaneously. Poof! Distortion gone. This would be a monumental leap for Nikon, making the Z9 II an ideal choice for sports, wildlife, and any action photographer who relies on capturing precise, rapid moments without compromise. It's a decades-old pain point eradicated. Another rumored highlight: insane flash synchronization speeds. Speculation suggests the camera could sync with a flash at an astonishing 1/12 of a second. This far surpasses what most current cameras offer, providing exceptional creative flexibility. For studio and fashion photographers, this is a true game changer, allowing unprecedented control over ambient light and precise flash work in fast-paced environments. It's transformatively fast. How does it handle all this instantaneous data with serious processing power? While Xpeed 8 whispers exist, the Z9 II is expected to robustly incorporate dual Xpeed 7 processors. This setup offers incredible speed and power, enabling rapid continuous shooting and smooth, high-quality 4K video recording. Such processing power is crucial for professionals who require both blistering speed and impeccable output in high-stakes scenarios. The Nikon Z9 II is expected to hit the market in late 2025 or early 2026. Until Nikon makes any official announcements, we enthusiasts will have to live in anticipation. As camera technology continues to evolve rapidly, innovations like global shutters and enhanced flash sync speeds are pushing the boundaries of digital photography. The Z9 II, with its rumored specifications, could be a testament to how far mirrorless cameras have come in delivering tools that meet the rigorous demands of professional photographers. While the rumored specifications of the Nikon Z9 II are certainly promising enough to make any gearhead giddy, it's essential to remember that a camera's true value ultimately lies in how well it meets a photographer's needs and genuinely enhances their creative vision. Until official announcements are made and photographers can test the Z9 II in real-world settings, the photography community will eagerly and probably impatiently anticipate how these advancements might impact the industry. Could the Nikon Z9 II redefine professional mirrorless photography and solidify Nikon's place at the very top? It certainly has the rumored specs to do it. What are your thoughts on these Z9 II leaks? Is the global shutter enough to tempt you? Let us know in the comments below.
Okay, photography fans, let's talk about the Nikon Z7 Mark III. No corporate buzzwords, no overhype, just pure anticipation for what could be a game changer in the mirrorless world. 4 years after the Z7 Mark II made waves, the leaks are finally here, and they've got everyone, from weekend shooters to seasoned pros, on edge. Faster autofocus? Yes, please. Next level low-light performance? Count us in. But here's the real question. Is Nikon about to redefine what high-resolution cameras can do? Stick with me as we break down everything we know so far, from the most exciting leaked specs to what this could mean for your gear lineup. Spoiler alert, it might just be time to upgrade. The Nikon Z7 Mark III is expected to feature a weather-sealed magnesium alloy body, highlighting durability. Ergonomics are key, with rumors of a deeper grip, better thumb rest, and well-placed dials for smooth operation, making long shoots more comfortable. The display might be a 3.2-inch OLED touchscreen with a higher resolution, offering sharper previews and better color accuracy. For the EVF, expect a 5.76 million dot OLED with 0.8x magnification for an immersive experience. Customizable controls include dedicated dials for ISO, aperture, and shutter speed, along with a customizable function button layout for quick access to key settings. Now the sensor. This is where things get interesting. The 90.75 megapixel rumor is a bold claim, potentially utilizing a stacked CMOS design for faster readout speeds and improved dynamic range. But the more plausible scenario is a 61 or 67 megapixel sensor, still a significant jump from the Z7 Mark II. Regardless, expect a backside illuminated BSI design for enhanced low-light performance and a wider dynamic range. Processing power is crucial for handling those massive files. Dual X-Speed 7 processors, a significant upgrade from the single X-Speed 6, will likely handle image processing, autofocus calculations, and video encoding. This could translate to continuous shooting speeds of up to 14 FPS with full autofocus and auto exposure, or even 20 FPS in electronic shutter mode. In-body image stabilization, IBIS, is expected to see a substantial improvement, potentially reaching 8 stops of compensation. This would allow for handheld shooting in extremely low-light conditions and smoother video recording. The autofocus system is rumored to feature 493 phase detection points covering a large portion of the sensor, and AI-powered subject detection for accurate tracking of humans, animals, and vehicles. Video capabilities are also expected to be a major focus. 8K at 60 FPS is a bold claim, potentially using pixel binning or line skipping to manage data rates. More realistic options are 6K and 4K at 120 FPS, offering high-res video and slow motion. Expect advanced codecs like ProRes RAW and H.265, along with 10-bit internal recording for better color grading. Connectivity is key, with 5 GHz Wi-Fi for fast transfers, Bluetooth 5.2 for mobile device pairing, and dual card slots for CF Express Type B and UHS 2 SD cards. Battery life should improve with a higher capacity ENL15C battery or a new battery grip for longer shooting sessions. Image quality is paramount. Expect exceptional detail, clean low-light performance, and accurate color reproduction. Nikon's color science is renowned for its natural rendering, and the Z7 Mark III is expected to enhance this. Release date rumors point to August to November 2025, a long wait, but indicative of Nikon's commitment to a polished product. The price is expected to be in the $3,000 to $3,500 range, targeting professionals and serious enthusiasts. The big question, can it dethrone the Sony A9 II? The Z7 Mark III's focus on resolution and image quality could give it an edge in landscape, portrait, and studio photography, but the A9 II's speed and video capabilities are formidable. The Z7 Mark III will need exceptional real-world performance to compete. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. More camera tech news, reviews, and speculation are coming your way.